New car just got here, just arrived on the trailer. Okay, so this is what I traded the Focus for. 2008 Volkswagen Touareg V10 TDI. Basically, plan is to downsize what I've got. The Touareg is going to replace a Saab once I fix a few issues with that and sell it, and then I'm just going to have the Touareg and the Miata. Also still have my buddy's Miata here that he lets me drive for parking at my house. But I figured do a little walk around of this thing. So it's 2008, it's got 140,000 miles on it. It's got some Porsche Cayenne wheels with these massive brakes behind it. I don't know if you really can see. It's got these running boards that I'm going to pull off here eventually. But it's in pretty good shape. It's a nice Renault beige silver color, so it's kind of obscure. TDI. Alright. So this thing is pretty loaded for a 2008. I don't even know what half the stuff is. It's got selectable suspension settings, sport, auto, comfort. Yeah, diff stuff. This I think is a button for the center diff. That's adjust the mirrors, engine stop start button. I'm not sure what this is. It looks kind of like a cigarette lighter, but it's not really. Almost looks like a weird flashlight at the end, but I haven't got it to do anything. This is for adjustable height for the air suspension on it. Let's see. It's got auto headlights, rain sensing mirrors. I don't know, all other stuff I'll turn on. It's got navigation, although I need to get a DVD for the navigation. It's pretty fun. It came with DPF and EGR deletes and a tune from Malone Tuning, which is supposed to be at 400 horsepower and 650 foot-pounds to the crank. I've messed around with a little bit, but not too much. It's quick for what it is, but it is almost 6,000 pounds, so it's quick, but it's not fast by any means. I think it's a little faster than Saab, but I'm not sure. Probably don't care enough to actually find out. It's got climate control that's varied per side, but also has it in the back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. So you can actually have 4 people all adjusting the climate control based on where they're sitting. It's all leather seats, all power adjustable and stuff up front. Leather seats in the back. It's a little bit smaller than the Saab inside, so I might have to get a trailer for it. The Saab I was using to move the go-kart that we bought, and I could just fit that in the back. This thing I don't think is quite big enough on the inside to do that. But she's pretty quiet. Still factory exhaust other than the DPF delete. So it drives around nice and quiet. I think I might be like a little ricer, and I might put some cone filters on it just so I can hear the turbos a little bit, open it up. But yeah, it's new daily, nice, comfy. We'll get better fuel mileage than the Saab, even though it's a huge tank, but it's still going to get better fuel mileage and be pretty quick. So it's going to be fun. We'll go ahead and pop the hood and we can check out underneath the engine. So here it is, V10 twin turbo diesel. There is no room to spare, so any engine work might not be fun. Actually, no, it's not going to be fun. But I do have this air filter box here and here, so I can at least do probably some turns and a filter down into the fender there. Don't know if it'd actually be good or bad for performance, but I want to hear the turbos make noise, so I'm going to do that. But yeah, new ride.